See all the bands play and all the dance groups dance and to see Santa Claus, huh? Yeah.
Venimos a disfrutar porque cada año venimos, nos gusta mucho estar aquí en familia.
That community is like you are in Mexico, you don't miss nothing. Everything is in Linwood.
Que todas estuvieron excelentes, las bandas, la música, la alegría.
I wish every one of my Linwood residents happy holidays, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad y Feliz Año Nuevo de parte de mi familia.
As far as for us, elected officials, we look forward to seeing everybody that we haven't seen throughout the year. So it's an event that we look forward to every year that brings the community together.
For 47 years, I've been coming to the parade for a long time, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
On behalf of the Linwood City Council, Merry Christmas! And thank you for joining us for our annual Candy Cane Lane Parade. This has continued to be an amazing tradition that we hope to share with you for many more years to come.
Please drive home safely and we'll see you again next year.
And